Here's how to use Outfit ID in Project Afternight. First is, on your Roblox account, search for Avatar Catalog Creator. And then afterwards, you'll be able to see there the game or the publish that you have. Now click on the play button. Afterwards, once you have already clicked on the play button, you will be redirected on the server game. Now click on the play button once again. And then after doing that, so you'll be redirected on the game itself. So you just wait for a few seconds until you are redirected to the main dashboard. Now, what you need to do is to click on the catalog options. Once you're already on the catalog options, what you need to do is to go to the main settings, or you will be redirected to the main settings, and you will see the enter item link. Now, once you see the enter item link, paste on the code that you can use.